Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2016 Hyundai iLoad van, stock reference number 4302. The shape runs from the 11th month 2007 and is the current shape. It has a G4kg 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. G4kg 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand side. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, radiator grille, right hand headlight, it's got a tidy front bumper cover, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch steel rims, the left front is a good tyre, with the left power door mirror, both left hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear, 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Tailgate has a couple of small dents. Right-hand tail light. Right rear, 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. And a right power door mirror. With the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. Center console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, factory media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.